What is the difference between organic and non-organic essential oils? The difference between organic and non-organic essential oils lies in the growing and processing methods used to produce them. Organic essential oils are derived from plants that are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers, and are processed using methods that preserve the purity and natural qualities of the oils. These oils are certified as organic by a third-party organization and meet strict standards for quality and sustainability. Non-organic essential oils, on the other hand, are produced from plants grown with the use of chemical pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, and may undergo chemical processing and refining to improve their scent and color. These oils may contain synthetic additives or contaminants, which can compromise their purity and natural qualities. Organic essential oils are generally considered to be of higher quality and purity, and are safer and more beneficial for use in aromatherapy, personal care products, and home remedies. However, they can also be more expensive than non-organic essential oils. When choosing essential oils, it's important to consider not only their organic status but also their source, quality, and purity, and to look for oils that are steam distilled or cold pressed, as these methods are considered to produce the highest quality oils.